The MISTI program is the MIT International Science and Technology program. It's intended to send MIT students around the globe, and we are here at AUBH in Bahrain to teach students wearable design.
We've learned so much in such a short period of time, whether that be creating computer-aided design, using softwares like Fusion 360, or even using programs like Python and Arduino. Even the small things like creating a circuit is something that I've never learned before, but I managed to learn within these 2 weeks.
The MISTI program is like purely, can you go and do this project based off a very limited number of lectures? Can you go execute on this high-level design project, this wearable technology project? I think this is like an opportunity that students don't get very often in school, which often focuses on this like rote memorization and learning. And we're glad that we can bring it here to the American University of Bahrain.
Last year, I was part of the MISTI program, building robotic arm from scratch. And this year, I volunteered as a teaching assistant at MISTI's building Wearable Technology, helping new students to navigate similar challenges.
My experience at the MISTI program was amazing from day one. I remember walking into the workshop and seeing myself in a very welcoming environment. I got along with all of the instructors, the students, as well as the TA. I see this experience as a very beneficial one, as we've learned a lot of things. We've learned problem solving, critical thinking, as well as group work.
For the past month, students are using AUBH lab for printing their projects for MISTI MIT workshop, and I'm really happy to help them to bring their projects come to life.
Getting the opportunity to be creative and create your own project that you pursue, I think is the best way to teach students to be inspired and to learn.